As you can tell here at Guinn Partners, we're super into drones, we're super into drone technology. We've been doing them for over 10 years now. We've invented products, we work with companies all over the world, developing drones from $1,000 on up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I can tell you, over all the companies that we've been in the drone space, the one super favorite drone we've always had for flying around the office or for learning how to fly a drone is the micro drone. We had the 2.0, we had a bunch of them. We had a whole bunch of microdrone 3.0s at the 3DR office, and we were flying those things all over the place, and that was like our training drone for all new employees. And now with microdrone 4.0, the tech that is packed into this little device is incredible. It's got a gimbaled camera on it, which, I mean, basically if you're either spending $500 on a Spark or $700 or $800 or $900 on a Mavic Air to get that same level of stabilized video, the team at Extreme Flyers has put all of that technology, position hold, gimbalized camera, full HD video, smart shots. I mean, tech that you're talking $500,000+ drones before you can get those same features, and they're doing it for a $200 drone. I've gotten a little peek at it. I got to fly it a little bit with Vernon. The thing is amazing. We cannot wait to get our hands on them. I know you're going to love them, so hopefully this helps. But Microdrone 4.0, you definitely have a Guinn Partners endorsement, and we are super excited to get our hands on them.